as you celebrate your achievement here today. Go out with confidence. Know that God of love will lead your way. Go out in unity. Take your gifts and give them to the world. Go out with strength, clothed and equipped with all you have learned. Go out with wisdom as God renews your mind each day. Go out in love and kindness and blessings to give away. Go out with freedom. There's so much more to see, enjoy and learn. On behalf of the Holy Child family, we wish you all the best, dear children.
A challenging year and a stimulating session has finally come to an end. It is time to bid you goodbye, batch of 2020-21. A quote by William Shedd tells us, "A ship in a harbour is safe, but that is not what it is built for." It is now time for you to break free of the cocoon of safety, love, guidance and values that this school has provided you. The world awaits you and welcomes you with your set of skills and moral values that you have developed as an HCS girl. Embrace it with a clear vision and a truthful heart. I pray and wish for each one of you that as you grow wings to fly high, you also remember your roots with gratitude and pride. And may you be blessed with the very best of what life has to offer.
Dear students, we assure you of our heartfelt prayers and blessings to achieve success at every step you take. Always remember that every problem is a challenge to prove yourself and a skill to be developed. Succeeding in life is easy as long as you believe in yourself. Trust yourself and success will come along. Let your talent shine bright and hold positivity in your heart and mind to stay motivated and dedicated for every ambition and dream you aspire to achieve.
Taking my sin, my cross, my shame, rising again, I bless your name. You are my all in all. When I fall down, you pick me up. When I am dry, you fill my cup. You are my all in all. Jesus, Lamb of God, worthy is your name. Jesus, Lamb of God, worthy is your name.
A reading from the Holy Bible, Psalms chapter 139, verses 7 to 10. Where can I go from your spirit, or where can I flee from your presence? If I ascend into heaven, you are there. If I make my bed in hell, behold, you are there. If I take the wings of the morning and dwell in the uttermost parts of the sea, even there your hand shall lead me, and your right hand shall hold me. This is the word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. May God's blessings follow you all as you take new journeys of your life. May you walk safely along the paths of your dreams. May His gentle hand guide the decisions you take and the passions you follow. May your heart and life be a reflection of His love and truth. And may hope be the light within you, which you carry into each new day. All the best, children, for a successful life.